testing out 10 plus sunscreens. These are my top 5 sunscreens and they all are mineral based sunscreens. Now, today also if you're not using a sunscreen, you are a fool. Right now, sunscreen is not an important part of your day, then what is? Your first priority should not be your boyfriend, but using a sunscreen on daily basis. We are definitely not in the era where we have very limited ingredient based sunscreen. Right now, we have sunscreens with vitamin C and E, which means your dark spots will fade, your dullness will go away. We also have hydrating sunscreens that acts like a moisturizer. Not only we have vitamin C or niacinamide sunscreens, we have hyaluronic based sunscreens as well. Once you started using sunscreen, you're going to see the changes within few months only. I personally have used sunscreens that are gel based, that are in creamy formula and that are in mineral formula. And my recommendation will be to always use a mineral based formula because that works for maximum skin type. And trust me when I say this, because today I'll be showing you guys the sunscreens that work for normal, dry, oily and even for combination skin people. So let's get started with this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. The first sunscreen that I'm talking about right now is the Pilgrim's Brightening Serum Sunscreen. It has 5% vitamin C, it has niacinamide, it has SPF 50 plus along with PA 4 times plus. Like completely melts away. You don't need to like rub it too much, just melts in your skin like so fast. And I have shown you guys how it looks on my face also. I will first show you swatch on my hands. Like this is literally watery. I think this is similar to your Wishcare one. I recently tested out this sunscreen for almost 12 days when I was in Mumbai, a place where there is so much humidity. You are sweating every minute. Once you are out, it is so important to apply a sunscreen. And I tested out this sunscreen and guess what guys? I was applying this sunscreen in the morning and in the evening because I was going out. My skin did not got dull. I literally have no dullness on my face because whenever I'm in Mumbai, I'm literally roaming every day. Like I was out for 10 days exploring cafes, restaurant, out with my family, enjoying everything. And I was all the time out in the sun until I came back and saw my skin. It was doing just fine. And then I remember the one particular product I was using throughout was this particular sunscreen. So this has definitely passed that vibe for me. I think because this is niacinamide, it has worked out in a way that my skin did not got dull. It literally protected me and has become my favorite. And the best part is that I have laid it with my sunscreen. It works that way. I have laid it without my sunscreens after just washing my face also. This has worked out amazingly. So this sunscreen is the first one. Next sunscreen is the Dot & Key's Vitamin C plus E Bright Sunscreen. It also makes your skin brighter if you have dull face. If you feel like your face does not has got that brightness, then you can definitely try this sunscreen. It has got SPF 50 plus along with PA 4 times plus, and this says that it gives you a very dewy finish, which is actually very true. I get a nice glow whenever I apply this sunscreen. And this one I not only I tested, I gave it to someone to try who has a dry skin, and that person came up to me and told me that their skin did not got dry after using this product, which means it is a normal skin approved, it's a dry skin approved. And also along with the Pilgrim one, this also has a very watery based texture, like similar to how Pilgrim one is, and it also blends like not that quick, but within like few rubs only it will blend. Like this is how it looks like. It does not create any sort of irritation as well. And I use this sunscreen in between. I literally forgot that I've used it, but this sometimes it has also not gave me, like not every time this has given me a dewy finish, but this works for maximum skin type is what I could say. In terms of both of them, which one I choose to make it a top spot, it's the Pilgrim one. This is the second sunscreen that we have. All of these sunscreens are under rupees 500 only, so you don't need to spend too much for the sunscreen. But I think like for a decent sunscreen, you can pay 400 to 500 bucks. Now out of all the sunscreens, this is one particular sunscreen that I have restocked 3 times because I've been using this since last February, and this is the only sunscreen that is still working out for me. If you want to go on budget, like you want to buy a sunscreen that is under rupees 300, this will cost you around rupees 250. This is the underrated sunscreen SPF 50 with PA 4 times plus, and it again has vitamin C and vitamin E. Works for your dullness, dark spots. I am using this like because of this sunscreen only. I'm not able to try the other sunscreen because I was thinking once this gets over, I will try out the other ones. But this is about to get over. Like I feel like this sunscreen is also something that will work out for maximum skin type. Why? Again, for the formula. Again, because I have used it after using my mask, which gets very irritating on my face. So it gives me very soothing and calming effect on my face. I've used it with my serums. I've also paired it with my moisturizer. And the formula, it's watery. Not that watery. Little bit on the thick side. But yeah, it melts away very fast. I would say it can work for the oily skin. In comparison to the past two sunscreen, this has a bit thick consistency, but not of a creamy one. It is again a mineral sunscreen only, so you don't need to take stress about if this will work on an oilier combination or not. Just give it a try. It is only going to cost you $250. If you feel like trying, this does not have any fragrance. It's a very simple sunscreen, and I'm sure so many people are trying it. You can see other reviews as well, and you get an idea that this could be a perfect sunscreen for you. Now comes a sunscreen from a brand which I didn't know. I didn't know about this brand called PhD. I was literally not aware about this brand. They have the Panthenol Hydrating Gel Sunscreen. It has SPF 60, which is an amazing part for this fucking heat, because there is so much heat right now. The temperature is going like 44 right now. I need SPF 60 with PA 4 times plus, UVA, UVB. It also has blue light protection. And this is the only sunscreen out of all that has SPF more than 50, which is SPF 60. So this is an amazing part. In terms of the formula, oh my god, I've used it. I've used this sunscreen on my bare face. You will see how light and how subtle this gets, how easily it absorbs on my skin. Like, let me show you a swatch on my hand. You will see it on my face as well. But again, this has the same formula as the underrated sunscreen, so I can say that it will work for maximum of your there. At the same time, this sunscreen, I have used it with, I think, vitamin C, gives me amazing glow. Sometimes sunscreen also makes it very oily for your face, but because mineral sunscreens are very watery based, that does not makes it very like sticky on your face. So this is that one. It does not makes you stick. If you want to try something very amazing, then this is the sunscreen I would definitely recommend you to try, because it's a new brand and the way they have came up with so much within one pack is amazing. So you can try it for yourself as well. Now comes the sunscreen from this brand called Aravi Organic. I have tried in the past their underarm roll-on. I was not really satisfied, but when I saw this sunscreen, why I bought this? All the ingredients that these four sunscreens have, I get in just one sunscreen, which is this. And this is the and again, this has blue light, UV and UVB. If you feel like this is too thick for you, this one is literally watery. I will show you, because it has hyaluronic acid. You can definitely go in niacinamide and ceramides, which is like 4 bit watery than that one. So this is how it's gonna fall, and it is going to blend very easily again on your hand or on your face. I've tried it too much on my face. Oil-free fluid sunscreen. I feel like a face sunscreen can be easily used on your body as well, because we do need I've got fan of this. Why? Again, this has too much to provide within a one bottle. I am like a fan of the glow. If you want to try something new, sunscreen has these are the two brands you could try in just one use. I was just testing out on a normal day. I was just testing out like soothing sort of, and I think within half an hour, not a very harsh fragrance, very soothing, like natural sort of fresh SPF 50 with PA 4 times plus. This has a very nice smell. I love the part that this is the, out of all of these sunscreen, this is the only sunscreen that has ceramide, because all of them had niacinamide, vitamin C. This has hyaluronic acid and ceramide along with niacinamide and vitamin C. Just forget your dullness, forget your dark spots. This is going to give you more than that. Like, you will not going to have the dark spots once you start using sunscreens like this with such strong ingredients in just a single pack. But for all of them, I can definitely vouch that it will work for your dry, oily combination, I could say, because I think for them also the skin will not have that build-up. And for normal skin, already I have a normal skin, all of them works for me. So yeah, these were the sunscreens. I believe if you have a nice skin, you don't need like a proper skincare with 4 to 5 steps. You just need two good products, like a good moisturizer and a good sunscreen. Or if not a moisturizer, a good serum or a good sunscreen. But always have sunscreen. Like, since the time I've started using sunscreen, which was back in 2022, 4 years back, I still have sunscreen, whether that is in the form of a tinted sunscreen, whether that is in the form of the mineral sunscreen, but I have it. Like, SPF 50 has become so normal to have in your sunscreen. That is the most basic thing. Like what we say, that is the most bare minimum. If you want to go for the princess treatment, go with the SPF 60. Something like this, which has 4 ingredients. Something like this that has got SPF 60. Something like this that does not makes your skin tan. Even when you're out for 6-7 hours, your skin does not get dull. Go for this sunscreen. I already have a video uploaded on skin tints, which also has tinted sunscreen, but I'm thinking of making another one on just tinted sunscreen. I right now have a tinted sunscreen on, and this one is not the Dot & Key, but a new one that I received, and I will definitely make it in future. But for now, if you guys have enjoyed this video and you think that this is worth watching, you should definitely recommend it to someone who is not applying a sunscreen. Like, just give it a like, send it to that friend who does not listen to you, don't apply sunscreen. Sunscreen needs to be applied even when you are at home. This is not a thing that only if you're going out then you have to apply sunscreen. I'm a freelancer, works from home. I literally apply sunscreen on daily basis, at times twice in a day, even when I'm at home. Just give it a like if you feel like you want to watch me more and want to enjoy my content more. You can also follow me on my Instagram. For that, I will add my handle. And I hope I've made you guys understood that how important sunscreens are, and you are going to follow it. So yeah, keep following, keep subscribing, keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.